Hey everyone, welcome back to another simple tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to blur a part of a video using the Capcut editing app. First open your Capcut app. Then create new project and add the video. The first step is to tap on the Effects option, then Video Effects. Navigate to the Lens section and find the blur effect. If you can't find it, check other sections in the video effects until you locate the blur effect. We need basic blur, so click on the effect to add it to our timeline. Drag the blur over the section of the video where you want to blur a specific part. Now, tap on the overlay button and add the same video again. Resize it to fit the frame. Select the second video, scroll down, and find the mask option. Choose a mask shape. In this case, we'll use a rectangle for blurring license plates. Click on the invert button. Adjust the size and shape of your mask by dragging the arrows. But we're not finished yet. We need to make the mask move with the video. Go to the beginning of your video. Tap on the keyframe button, move a couple of frames forward, and adjust the mask. Repeat this process by adding keyframes as needed. It might be a bit tedious, so let's speed it up a bit. And there you have it. That's how you can blur a part of a video using Capcut. If this video helped you out, please give a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.